Have you ever wondered what the Goodwill bins look like? Come on, let me show you. It might look like a bunch of trash, but if you know what you're looking for, you can find some great bargains. Whether you're looking for toys, plushies, books, or even clothes and shoes. Pro tip: if you like to just dig right in, I suggest you wear gloves. Ask me how I know. Every few minutes, they clear the aisles and make way for a new batch of goodies. Make sure you move or you may get yelled at. Again, ask me how I know. Do not just dig in when the new bin is in place. Wait until they give you the go-ahead. In this case, it's like a masterful magician's act. They pull off the sheets to reveal and let you know it's okay to start grabbing. Then, start grabbing, or get out of the way.
Stop.
Whoops, I'm not supposed to video. Ask me how I know.